Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Mont-Saint-Pierre, one of the most breathtaking villages in the Gaspé Peninsula of Quebec. Nestled between towering mountains and the shimmering waters of the Gulf of St. Lawrence, Mont-Saint-Pierre is a true paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers. This small village, with a population of just a couple hundred people, is named after the impressive mountain that rises behind it, Mont Saint-Pierre. The mountain and its surrounding landscapes are what make this place so special. Mont Saint-Pierre has a rich history. The area has long been part of the traditional territory of the Mi'kmaq people, who have lived in the Gaspé region for thousands of years. Later, European settlers arrived, drawn by the abundance of fish in the Gulf of St. Lawrence. Over time, Mont Saint-Pierre grew into a small but vibrant community surrounded by natural beauty. One of the things Mont Saint-Pierre is most famous for is paragliding. This village is known as one of the best spots in Quebec for this thrilling activity. Every summer, adventurers from all over come here to glide through the air and enjoy spectacular views of the mountains, river, and sea. There's even an international paragliding festival held here each year. If you're more into hiking than flying, Mont Saint-Pierre has you covered. The hiking trails around the mountain offer incredible panoramas of the Gulf and the surrounding valleys. The area is also part of the Chic-Choc Mountains, which are famous for their rugged beauty and wildlife, including moose and caribou. The Saint-Pierre River runs through the village, adding to its beauty. This river has long been a favorite spot for fishing, especially for salmon. And of course, the Gulf of St. Lawrence offers endless opportunities to enjoy the water, whether it's boating, kayaking, or just relaxing by the shore. Whether you're here to hike, paraglide, fish, or simply take in the views, Mont Saint-Pierre is a destination you'll never forget.
Thanks for watching!